So this is teacher's device and this is student device. Teacher, it's showing the routine of the next 4 classes, and for the student it shows the routine of the entire week. So the teacher clicks on the class which is for which the time is set now, and all the student information is being populated because it is negotiating with the server. And here this one is highlighted because this student is already in the class, so it is a kind of smart attendance. We can click on this student photo and information about the student will come. There is a multi-tab button. If we change the button, the same icon will function differently. This time it will show for the diary notes, or we can also check the super student work. So there when you click on it, it will show all type of work by the student. So this is the main first page of the teacher, where the teacher gets all information about all student. This is the first page for the student, and this is a routine for 1 week. These are also dynamic. If you click on it, and it will show that who is the teacher and what was taught in the last class, what is there in the next class, etc. Let's go to the next page. If we go to the next page, we can see that all the books of all subject has been downloaded in case of student, but for the teacher only his or her subject books will be downloaded. Now let's try to open a book. Like here we open a book, and if teacher wants to teach it to the class, you can simply press on sync, and we can see that the same page will get opened in all other on the student device. Then whenever teacher flip a page, the same page will be flipped. Even if a teacher can give some running note also, like here, and whatever teacher write here, so we can see it gets stored here. In the meantime, student can also take it their own note. So these notes always get preserved. So when the sync is closed, it is gone. Next time when the student want to study the same book, he will click on it, and he just say show note, and all the notes. Okay, the note should have been here you just say show note, and you can see all the notes that was taken in the class are still present. Now this is how we create notebook. So when you press on a new, and there are 3 different type of pattern comes. So for example, this pattern, and we have to name a notebook. So suppose we name it, like we write it the name and say English, and there is a handwriting recognition algorithm running in background, which will do the handwriting conversion. But in the meantime, this next textbook will notebook will come. We press on the right button, and we can write whatever we like this is my English notebook. And when we close it, we see that the icon has been created, and if you can see, I have written in handwritten English, that got handwriting converted, and this name is seen. We can also take a test using this using the notebook. So we go to the next page, and maybe we can form a test, like what is the capital of say India, and the question is A, New Delhi, B, Mumbai. Now we can send it as a okay, this is showing we can send it as a test to all the student devices. But before that, if we wanted to get it handwriting converted, we press on it, and this will get handwriting converted, and then we can send it as a test. So now this is sending to the server for getting it handwriting converted, and you see this has been, what is the capital of India, New Delhi and Mumbai. Then in this time we can send it and as a class test, and we set the time for 30 minutes. So what will happen, this page will go to all the student device as a class test. Then the student can take up the test, and student can mark the right answer. He says that the answer is New Delhi, and you click on submit. With there is an auto counter going on. The time we set. If the student is not submitting with the stipulated time, this will automatically get submitted. The student press submit, and this will go back to the teacher's device. The teacher can also see that what test he has taken. The student can also see that what test he has answered. And finally, to see the test paper, the teacher need to go to the first page, click on the student work. This is like student information, check diary note, student work. Click on here and see the test, the latest test if you want to see. and you will see this is the question being asked. This is what is the answer. The teacher will do the correction here, correct, and say sent. Then the corrected paper will be sent back to the student device. The student in that case can open it, and you will see the corrected devices here. Then there is something called diary notes. That the teacher wants to send a diary note to the student, so it will just write something. For example, tomorrow is holiday, and you just send, and we see that we say the diary note has been sent. A pop-up will be coming, and it will in the teacher's device it will show what is the last diary note that has been sent. The student device goes to the first one and say that and he can see that the diary note has been already been uploaded here. He click on it to see the diary note. His father or parents must acknowledge it. Will have to sign it here, and then have to sign it here and then say acknowledge. It must come back, and it will be the similar way. It will be shown in the first page of the sorry, this is student information. In the first page of here. Right now I have not implemented, so I am not able to show this. Next is the Blackboard mode. So whenever teacher is describing something in the Blackboard, so everything automatically the student can see, like this is Blackboard, and whenever the change in page, so like this is page 2, all these things. The next time whenever the student wants to see that what was being taught in the Blackboard, he simply click on it. By default it goes to the last page, and he can see everything what was taught in the Blackboard. Everything is being stored. It will help them in their studies. And there is another thing called conference mode. Suppose they are working in video conference, but they want to closely discuss something one-to-one. So teacher can take any student in a conference mode, and then maybe he can ask something like what is 5 plus 5, and the student can answer here 10, and it will also get reflected like this. So this is like doing a conference mode. So this also gets stored, and any time the student wants to see, they can able to see. For the help of the student, there is something called self-test. A student want to take a test. Going to take a self-test. Go to English, and you say English grammar. Then what will happen? It will pull the latest one English grammar test from our server, and it is there for the student for practice. The student can write something here, and if he or she wants, he can check the solution also. And he can come back anytime, and you want to see show the notes. Okay, you want to see the notes, and you can see the notes what he has taken. He hide the note, and this is for the student for the help of the student. And last but not least, something like called push data. So teachers, this is just for the demo purpose, but it will actually be done from the our software. That the school wants to send some kind of push data, for example circular, news, or pay slip, or games to the teachers and the student alike. We just use this option. So once it does it to the option, what we'll see, some pop-ups will come. So you can see this pop-up has already appeared. This is a news daily, some kind of news can be sent, some official communication, for example the pay slip. The pay slip can be sent. In case of student, maybe some interesting games can be sent to them, so that they also remain hooked up with something interesting. That's it. Thank you.